If you found this video, you're looking for marketing information for your small business in New Brunswick, New Jersey. You have to be where your customers are. Facebook, Twitter, Yelp, Pinterest, YouTube. 91% of Americans have mobile phones. 60% of Americans, about 138 million people, have phones with internet capability. 750 billion mobile text messages are sent each month. The open rate on email is only 10.8%, whereas 90% of text messages are read within 1 minute of receipt. Do you have a plan for using mobile phone marketing for your business? Are you still spending money on yellow pages, newspaper inserts, and other old-school media? 24 of the 25 largest newspapers experienced record declines in circulation over the past year. Why are the yellow pages like a nursing home? They're shockingly expensive, few people under 70 use them, and many who do are a little out of it. According to Yahoo, 92% of all business searchers start looking online either at home or on their mobile phones. Marketing online isn't an option anymore, it's a requirement. It's where your prospects and customers are searching to find businesses they can trust to buy products or services or get their problems solved. Marketing online is about going where they are online and setting up tables in those locations. Only 26% of small businesses have invested any time or effort in marketing online. There is still time to get established before it's too late. Thanks for watching our video. For more information or for a free copy of our #1 bestseller, Local Internet Marketing for Small Businesses, visit us at the website at the address below. Thank you.